URGS International Premium Quality TMT Bars. In today's rapidly growing infrastructure and construction industry, strength, durability, and reliability are the foundation of every successful project. From high rise buildings and industrial structures to bridges, highways, and mega infrastructure developments, quality steel reinforcement plays a critical role in ensuring structural safety and long term performance. Welcome to URGS International, your trusted partner for premium quality TMT bar supply solutions. At URGS International, we deliver high performance TMT bars designed to meet modern construction demands with superior strength, excellent durability, and reliable quality. With strong sourcing networks, direct manufacturer associations, and efficient supply capabilities, we proudly serve construction companies, EPC contractors, infrastructure developers, industrial projects, and global buyers across pan India and international markets. In this video, we will explore what TMT bars are, why they are essential in construction, key features and technical advantages, manufacturing process, different grades of TMT bars, applications across industries, quality standards, why businesses choose URGS International. Let us begin our journey into the world of high strength TMT bars. Now section 1. What are TMT bars? TMT stands for mechanically treated bars. These are high strength reinforcement steel bars widely used in construction and infrastructure projects. TMT bars are specially manufactured through advanced thermomechanical treatment processes that improve their strength, flexibility, corrosion resistance, and durability. Modern construction projects require materials that can withstand heavy structural loads, earthquakes, corrosion, extreme weather conditions, long operational life cycles. TMT bars provide the perfect combination of strength and flexibility required for modern engineering applications. Unlike conventional steel bars, TMT bars have a tough outer surface, a soft inner core, better elongation properties, higher tensile strength, excellent weldability. These features make them one of the most preferred reinforcement materials in the global construction industry. From residential buildings to mega infrastructure projects, TMT bars form the backbone of modern structural engineering. Now, manufacturing process of TMT bars. Let us see this. Once the bars are formed, they undergo a special process called quenching. During quenching, the outer surface of the bar is rapidly cooled using water. The core remains hot and soft. This creates a unique microstructure. Strong martensitic outer layers, ductile ferrite perlite inner core. After quenching, the bar undergoes self-tempering and atmospheric cooling. This advanced treatment process gives TMT bars their excellent strength, toughness, flexibility, fatigue resistance. The final bars are then cut to size, tested for quality, bundled, dispatched for supply. At URGS International, we ensure sourcing from reputed manufacturers, following strict quality standards and advanced manufacturing technologies. Our commitment is to deliver only reliable and performance-driven TMT bar solutions for industrial and construction applications. Now, major advantages of TMT bars. TMT bars offer several advantages that make the preferred choice for modern construction projects. First, high tensile strength. TMT bars are designed to withstand heavy structural loads. Their superior tensile strength helps improve structural stability and safety. Then second, excellent ductility and flexibility. One of the biggest advantages of TMT bars is their flexibility. This property allows structures to absorb shocks and vibrations during earthquakes and seismic activities. Third, earthquake resistance. TMT bars are highly suitable for earthquake-prone areas. Their high elongation properties reduce the risk of sudden structural failure. Fourth, corrosion resistance. Modern TMT bars are manufactured with advanced corrosion resistant properties. This significantly improves the lifespan of structures, especially in humid, coastal, and industrial environments. Fifth, superior weldability. Low carbon content in TMT bars provides excellent welding performance without compromising strength. Sixth, fire resistance. TMT bars can withstand high temperatures, making them ideal for commercial and industrial projects. Seventh, better bonding with concrete. The ribbed surface of TMT bars provides excellent bonding with concrete. This increases structural integrity and load-bearing performance. Eighth, cost efficiency. Due to their high strength and better performance, TMT bars help reduce steel consumption in many projects. This improves overall project economics. These advantages make TMT bars an essential material for modern engineering and infrastructure development. Now, different grades of TMT bars. TMT bars are available in different grades depending on strength requirements and project specifications. Some commonly used grades include FE415, suitable for residential and light construction projects. FE500, widely used in commercial and residential construction, offers excellent strength and flexibility. FE500D, improved ductility version, suitable for earthquake-resistant structures. FE550, used for heavy-duty industrial and infrastructure projects. FE600, high-strength applications requiring superior load-bearing performance. Selecting the right TMT bar grade depends on structural design, load requirements, environmental conditions, engineering specifications. At URGS International, we help customers select suitable grades based on project needs and technical requirements. Now, Section 5, Applications of TMT bars. TMT bars are widely used across multiple industries and infrastructure sectors. Residential construction, used in homes, apartments, villas, and residential complexes. Commercial buildings, essential for malls, offices, hotels, and institutional projects. Infrastructure projects, widely used in bridges, flyovers, highways, airports, railways, metro projects. Industrial projects, heavy industrial structures require strong reinforcement systems. Dams and power plants. TMT bars provide long-term structural reliability for critical infrastructure. Marine and coastal projects. Corrosion-resistant TMT bars are ideal for coastal environments. Modern infrastructure development relies heavily on premium quality TMT bars to ensure safety, durability, and long-term performance. Now, quality standards and testing. Quality is one of the most critical aspects of TMT bar selection. Premium quality TMT bars undergo multiple quality tests including tensile strength testing, yield strength testing, bend and rebend tests, elongation testing, chemical composition analysis. Quality standards ensure that the bars meet structural safety requirements. TMT bars are commonly manufactured as per IS 1786 standards and other international specifications. At URGS International, we focus on sourcing from reputed manufacturers that maintain strict quality control processes and compliance standards. Our objective is to provide customers with dependable steel reinforcement solutions that meet both technical and commercial expectations. Now, why choose URGS International? URGS International is committed to delivering reliable, professional, and value-driven TMT bar supply solutions. Why customers choose URGS International? Direct manufacturer sourcing. We work with reputed rolling mills and steel manufacturers. Pan-India supply capability. Efficient logistic support ensures timely deliveries. Then bulk and project supply solutions. Means we support infrastructure, EPC, industrial and export projects. Then technical and commercial support. Means our experienced team provides professional coordination and customer assistance. Then competitive commercials. This is also our advantage. We deliver cost-effective procurement solutions without compromising quality. Then at last, reliable long-term partnerships. We believe in building sustainable business relationships through trust, performance, and commitment. At URGS International, our mission is to support industrial growth and infrastructure development through quality steel reinforcement solutions and dependable supply services. As infrastructure and industrial development continue to grow worldwide, the demand for high-quality reinforcement steel solutions becomes more important than ever. Premium quality TMT bars play a vital role in building stronger, safer, and more durable structures. URGS International proudly supports industries, contractors, developers, and infrastructure projects with trusted TMT bar sourcing and supply solutions. Whether your requirement is for residential construction, commercial development, industrial projects, or export supply, we are ready to support your business with quality products and professional service. Connect with URGS International today. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 5945 8455. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe for more industrial engineering and infrastructure related insights. URGS International, strengthening industries worldwide. Thank you.